Everyone, welcome back to English class. Dear students, today we are going to continue the lesson number 10, a strange wrestling match. And yes, today we are going to read the last part of the lesson. And we were reading about Vijay Singh and the ghost, right? So, in the previous parts, we have read that Vijay Singh was showing his power to ghost. Okay, and firstly, he gave piece of stone to Ghost and asked him to squeeze hardly and get fruit. Ghost was unable to do the same, but Vijay Singh had squeezed the stone and got fruit as he was having egg. Okay, so with another stone, he asked Ghost to crush it and get some powder. Again, Ghost returned it to Vijay Singh and he successfully made full of Ghost with the help of lump of salt. Understand? These were the points which we have read in the previous part. So here is the last para which we have read in the last part. Now thoroughly elated, Vijay Singh replied, I cannot refuse your hospitality, but tomorrow you will go with me as my prisoner. I must display the trophy of my victory to my people. The ghost bowed in agreement but silently vowed to kill Vijay Singh in the night. He led him to his house in the cave. Okay, so what happened then as uh, Vijay Singh very happy. Okay, and because he had shown his power, and according to his observation, Ghost was feeling very bad. Right, he was feeling very low, so he was very happy, and he cannot. So he was saying to Ghost that I will not refuse your hospitality. I will come to your home. Okay, but I have one condition, means tomorrow you will come with me at my village so that I can show you as my trophy that I have won the ghost. Right, as a ghost also agreed with his agreement, and also he was silently, means in his mind he had taken pledge, he was planning to kill Vijay Singh in the nights. Right, so they both have moved to the house in the cave. Next para. Next key points. Vijay Singh kept awake at night. He cleverly duped the ghost in his own cave. The ghost believed that Vijay Singh was unbeatable. He ran away, leaving all his property, which made Vijay Singh wealthy for life. So let's start reading the last part. The ghost fed him dry fruits and a lot of milk, and later led him to a luxurious bed to sleep on, complete with pillows and bolsters. Right, so as he invited Vijay Singh at his home in the cave, as Vijay Singh accepted the request, and they both came to his ghost's home, and how he treated how the ghost treated Vijay Singh. First of all, he fed him dry fruits and a lot of milk. First of all, he offered dry fruits and a milk, and later led him to a luxurious bed. Luxurious means extremely comfortable bed to sleep on. Who ghost provided very comfortable bed to Vijay Singh, and which was complete with pillows and bolsters. Bolsters mean long, thick pillow, round pillow. Okay, so all kind of pillows were there, and very luxurious, very comfortable bed was there. But Vijay Singh lay awake listening to the snores of the ghost. In the middle of the night, he slipped off his bed. He placed a bolster in the center of the bed, throwing over it a coverlet to make it look exactly like a sleeping man. Having done this, he crouched watchfully in a dark corner. Now, dear students, listen carefully. What were some words are here? You can see the word snores, right? So the meaning of snore is grunting sound while asleep. Coverlet means a bedspread or bed sheet, right? So crouched means bent. Okay, it is a kind of a position on which the knees are on the bent position and the upper body is in the forward positions, right? So by hiding yourself, and you were listening something, right? So what happened then? Vijay Singh lay awake listening to the snores. Means he was not sleeping. He was awake because he was listening. He was waiting for the ghost snores. Snores means it is a sound, grunting sound while asleep, and snore is the identification or snore in indication of someone's sleep. Okay, so he was waiting till the ghost was sleeping. In the at the midnight, he just took off from his bed, and he placed a bolster in the center of the bed, right? At which on his place he put a bolster and covered it with a bed sheet. It was looking like a man was sleeping on the bed, right? So in this way he just make a scene on the bed, and having done this he crouched watchfully in the dark corner. And afterwards he was just went somewhere at the corner, dark corner, where from where he could see everything but nobody could notice him, right? So first of all he just managed the pillow on the bed, and it was looking like a man was sleeping. And later on he just hid himself from somewhere in the dark corner, and some was watching everything from the corner. Then what happened, as you can see, what he did, here is the bed, here is the coverlet, below it it is he put some bolster, here is the coast, and here is Vijay Singh. He was hiding himself after the wall and looking at carefully. Now, sure enough, just before the break of dawn, the ghost approached the bed armed with a stout club. He brought the club down on what he thought was Vijay Singh's head. Not hearing even a groan, he smiled, pleased that he had killed his enemy. Right? So here is the word groan, which means sound made in pain. So what happened, as you can see, he was having club, this kind of stick, right? Stout clubs means a very thick stick he was having, and he started beating this man. And because he was thinking Vijay Singh was there, so he started beating. So in this way, just before the break of dawn, means before the morning, the ghost approached the bed armed with a stout club, means having a very thick kind of stick. He brought the club down on what he thought was Vijay Singh's head. First of all, he just beat with the club on his head. According to him, it was Vijay Singh's head. Not hearing even a groan, he was not hearing even a single sound. He was pleased that he had killed his enemy. After beating once on the head, he was thinking, as there was no sound, means Vijay Singh was killed. However, just to make doubly sure, he struck the bolster 6 times more. Satisfied with his work, he returned to his couch and, covering his head, settled down to sleep again. Meanwhile, Vijay Singh crept silently back into the bed. After a pause, he groaned, as if in disgust, threw back his coverlet, and sat up. Right? So what happened, as just to make doubly sure, as he put one stock, he was thinking Vijay Singh was dead, but he wanted to be sure, so he struck the bolster 6 times more, means he beat it with the stick on the bed 7 times, right? Total 7 times he beat it there, because he was thinking, he wanted to be sure that he had killed Vijay Singh. Satisfied with his work, and he was quite satisfied that he had killed Vijay Singh, he just returned back to his bed and went asleep. And afterwards, what happened, as Vijay Singh watching everything from the corner, so he just came back and just walked silently towards the bed, okay, and just took again his seat, and disgust means displeased. After a pause, means after 1 minute, he groaned, he started making sound as someone has beaten him, and as if in disgust, and he was very displeased, and just threw back his coverlet and sat up. As At the same moment, when Ghost returned back to his bed, he just slept silently on his bed, and he was just showing that he had just waken up now, and just sat on his bed. Disturbed by the noise, the ghost peeped from under his plaid cloth to see the strong man stretching his arm above his head and yawning. For a moment, the ghost turned rigid with shock. Friend ghost, there are insects in your cave, said Vijay Singh in a complaining voice. Here I was, enjoying the sweetest sleep I have had in years, and there comes this insect to trouble me. I distinctly counted 7 flappings of its wings. Of course, it has not bitten me, but it's most annoying. The ghost panicked. Those 7 blows would have reduced any other man to pulp. There is no safety near a formidable wrestler like this, he thought, and fled from the cave, leaving behind all his ill gotten wealth. So what happened? Disturbed by the noise, as Vijay Singh was making noise, he was making groaning sound, right? So he wake up, and ghost peeped what happened, as he had covered his head with the bed sheet. Ghost, so he just took out from the bed sheet, from the coverlet. He was watching towards the which is towards Vijay Singh, means what he was doing. And what he seen, he was seeing, what he was looking, that person Vijay Singh stretching his arm as he was waken up, and he was just feeling relaxed, and his arms were over his head, and he was yawning. So for a moment the ghost turned rigid with the shock, right? So ghost become very shocked and become hard. What was that? So friend ghost, now Vijay Singh was complaining, there are insects in your cave. So he was started complaining that in your cave, in this house, there are many insects. And Vijay Singh in a complaining voice, here I was enjoying the sweetest, and he was saying that he was enjoying the sweetest sleep he have had in years. Means after a long time he was having very beautiful sleep, but because of insect he got disturbed. He was saying that he counted 7 flappings in, on his bed, but of course it hasn't bitten me. Means all the insects were flapping around him, but no one had bitten him. But it was most annoying. I was very displeased with all these insects. The ghost panicked. He became very restless. Those 7 blows would have reduced, because according to the ghost, he had struck he had striked for 7 times, and those 7 blows can convert a man into a pulp, right? But this man is fine. How it would be possible? So there is no safety near a formidable wrestler like this. Means he was saying that it is a very frightening wrestler, right? Formidable means frightening. So if I would stay here, I will not be safe. So here is no safety for me if I will be staying here with this frightening wrestler, he thought, and fled from the cave, leaving behind all his ill-gotten wealth, right? He had gotten all the wealth from his ill behavior, right? So he, what happened, as he was seeing that the man Vijay Singh was a very powerful man, he could do anything, and he was the strongest one. So he just went away from there, right? He ran away from that place and left all the things behind. And afterwards, what happened? It took several camels from the village to remove the property Vijay Singh had acquired. He returned much of it to the rightful owners. He went especially to the old woman, thanked her for her invaluable gift, and asked for her granddaughter's hand in marriage. Okay, so it took several camels, and it was the time of camels, or it was the Rajasthan area. So everybody know that camels are the kings of desert, right? So it took several camels, means they used camels for bringing the things. So from that haunted desert to village, it took many several to brought back the things what the ghost acquired, right, from there, from his ill mannered thoughts. So what happened? He returned much of it. So he returned many things to the rightful owners, to back to their owners, and everybody was very happy. And first of all, especially he went to the old woman. She had who had given two strange uh, gifts to Vijay Singh. Lump of salt and, yes, what? Egg. Okay, because he was able to show his power with these two gifts. So first of all, he got there he went to old woman and thanked for her gift, and obviously asked her granddaughter's hand in marriage. He wanted to be married with his with her granddaughter. So there, thenceforth Vijay Singh was more careful about boasting, and it is said that no traveler was ever troubled again in the haunted desert. Right? Yes. Afterwards, he was very aware, and he just left, or you can say he just removed his uh, weakness boosting. Right? He was very careful, means what I would say is, would it be good or not, so he will always think before speak. And it is said that afterwards nobody will bother any kind of trouble, or not facing any trouble in the haunted desert. Means now it was an safe area after this wrestling, which was not actually the wrestling, it was just tricky tricks which by which Vijay Singh what frightened the ghost, and ghost left the place forever. Right? So I hope, my dear students, you all have enjoyed this very different kind of story, in which you have read about Vijay Singh, a wrestler, and the ghost. Obviously sometimes mind works more than body. Okay, as he was very strongest person according to his body, but still uh, only with the help of his mind, with the help of his intelligence, he was able to defeat the ghost. Right? So thank you so much.